Hi guys, my name is Nikki and welcome to my channel. So this is the part 1 of my series on how to make sales or how to get organic traffic on your Redbubble store. So in this video I'm going to tell you one tip which is like a pre-setup tip that everyone should do. And if you already had a store for 1 to 2 weeks, then make sure that all these criterias are one criteria here, or this one criteria has been fulfilled. So before I tell you the tip, I would like to say that when you're starting, it is very unlikely to get a sale in just the first week or say first 2 weeks. So don't get demotivated. I have seen some artists where they get their first sale after 2 months or something. So just keep on going and be consistent. Okay, so let's get to the tip. As our main aim is to get more exposure to our shop and to gain maximum exposure, we have to do this thing. You have to upload at least 25 to 30 designs in the first 5 days when you start. So and also make sure that you make appropriate collections for all those designs. I will tell you how this will help you. So just say one of your designs got attention from many buyers. It got favorited a lot. So when a consumer is on that product's page, there is a section below which will say more from this artist and will show some of your top designs or your recent uploads. And what I have seen from my Google Analytics is that these people click on those products 70% of the time. So your chances of making your first sale or any sale increases exponentially. So when you have more products, the consumer will come to know what type of designs you make, and if he or she likes them, they might look out for your designs more in the future. I know that this is a basic knowledge, but people when starting out don't think about this, and they are so hyped about that they are going to make a sale in the first day or first week, and sometimes it might happen, sometimes it might not happen. So make sure that to get your first sale or to increase your chances of making a sale when you actually get an organic traffic onto your store, you do this thing. Also, it just came to my mind. Please make an appropriate banner and your store logo. It gives a vibe that you are a professional artist. You should do that. Anyways, if you like this tip and you're looking forward to the next video in the series, please like, please comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.